y'all. I wanted to come back and show you what Wink looked like. Now, Wink is a tiny, tiny one. It's a T90. And honestly, I think I could have done Wink in 2 days. However, while I was doing band camp and just sitting there being the adult in the room, um, I kept getting called away, and I also found out that I had to move my classroom because they were going to work on my roof. So Wink actually took 4 days to do. So here she is. Isn't she a cutie? Now, like I said in my unboxing preview of her, she is only 9 colors. And she's small, so you expect this little bit of pixelation, but I still think she is adorable. You're seeing her from maybe a 1.5 feet away from the camera to the actual canvas. Maybe, let's see. Just to see. I'm gonna put this right here. All right, my camera is 15 inches away from the canvas. And she looks pretty good in the camera. Get a little closer and you're going to see the bits of pixelation. I did contact Diamond Art Club for this one. Let me tell you why. The last column right here, this last column, the squares are not actually the full size. They're like, it's cut off. They're smaller in width. So that was a bit of a problem. It was, but nothing that like just absolutely bothered me. So I contacted Diamond Art Club and I told them. And I also told them, look, I'm not looking for a freebie. I'm not looking for a refund. I don't even want a new canvas. I'm okay with this one. I did just want to let them know that if they ever like rechart this one, that this last column over here on the right needs to actually be full size. I even sent them a picture of this column of squares. And even though I didn't ask, didn't expect, they were very nice. They, because you get what you give, and I was nice about it, so they were nice about it, and even gave me a $5 credit, which hey, that's great. I wasn't looking for it, so, but I love Wink, and it would not have taken me 4 days if I didn't have so much other stuff going on. So here she is. And she's cute as a button. I just love her from far away. So, all right, guys. So there's my end review of Wink. Love her. This column over here is smaller boxes. That's an issue, but she is precious, and I cannot wait to get her framed. So, until next time, bye, guys.